Hello everyone, welcome back to Hobby Concepts. This is Raj. If you're new to this channel and would like to watch about tried and tasted recipes and tutorials on arts and crafts, mixed media, paper quilling and other related stuffs, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell icon so that you don't miss anything. We start with today's video right now. Take an egg template or draw and cut it in a white cardstock. The size of this egg template is 7 cm by 5 cm. You can also recycle any carton and cover it with a color paper. Next, we need to stick a paper strip around the edges of the egg template. Mostly I cut my own paper strips using a paper shredder. So all my paper strips are 3 mm thick and 30 cm length. Now as far as possible, keep the egg template on the flat surface and stick the paper strip so that we get a flat finish at the back side of the egg template. This is just like the edge quilling or quillography technique. You can use the back of the pen or the quilling needle to stick the strip around the edges. This is how we need a flat finish at the back of the egg template. Now we will stick the strip around the egg template until we reach the other end. Now fold it slightly and cut the strip. I prefer using a paper clipper, but you can also use a pair of scissors too. Now finish sticking the strip to the egg template. You can see one side we have created a depth and the other side of the egg template is having a flat finish. Now our basic egg template is ready for decoration. Using a simple honeycomb or beehive technique, we will decorate the inside of the egg. Take a white strip and start with your needle tool a bit away, nearly about an inch away from one end of your paper strip. Now roll it towards the end, pulling in both ends of the strip at the same time. Now again, with the same distance, start rolling the strip as shown. It is not as difficult as it sounds or as it looks. With very little practice, you can master it. The size of the coil depends on how many turns we make. I've made 5 turns each time. Now this is how it will look. This is one complete strip of 30 centimeters length. Make 10 such different strips into a beehive design each. Now we need to stick each beehive design strip to the egg template starting from the sides. Let me just arrange to show it. The idea is to stick the coils in between two coils so that it forms a design. Now apply glue little at a time and start sticking small portions at a time. Now let's go ahead to finish off the entire egg template. This is how it will look after sticking all the strips inside the egg template. Now, first let's make the lamb or the sheep, for which we will start with making a tight coil. The diameter of this tight coil is 2 centimeters. Stick the end and flatten it. Now give it a dome shape using your fingers. This will form the face of the lamb. Next, let's make the ears. I have cut two black strips of 18 centimeters each. Let's make the loose coil. If you are using a circle size template, it is circle size 14, which is 1.4 centimeters diameter. Secure the end of the coil and make a teardrop shape by pinching at one end. I always like to check the size by placing it directly on my projects. This would give me a better idea to increase or decrease the sizes. This looks good to me, so I will make one more ear of the same size. Arrange it and check once again before connecting everything to our final project. Feel free to shape it to get the real look. Apply little glue inside the dome all over so that it does not lose its shape later on. You can use a brush or your finger to apply the glue inside the dome. Next, we need to stick the ears. I have bent it little for the natural look. Now using the beehive design, I have made the crown part for the lamb . Now, let's start making the legs for the lamb. Here, I'm using a 20 cm length black strip. Make a loose coil. And if you are using a circle template, the size 14 or the diameter 1.4 centimeters. Now, secure the end and form the teardrop shape. Now this time, while you are making the teardrop shape, try to gather the coil from the center and pull towards the bottom, so that you will get the nice design to the entire teardrop shape. This design is known as eccentric teardrop shape. I will talk about it while I am making a separate video on all the shapes later on. Now press it fully to the tip and from the bottom press it towards the shape of the tip. This way you will get a nice triangle shape at the bottom of the leg. Our leg for the lamb is ready. Similarly, we make 3 more legs. I have connected the googly eyes, the legs and also a small tail to our lamb. I've used the beehive technique for the tail. Now at the back of the lamb, you can stick a double-sided tape and use it as a wall decor, or stick a magnet and use it as a fridge magnet. Our lamb or the sheep is completely ready for Easter. I hope you will try this soon. That's all for today from Hobby Concepts. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and share it with your friends and family. For more such videos, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. I would like to thank you for watching all the way to the end and would look forward to seeing you on another video very soon. Until then, live, love, relax, keep smiling and enjoy your life. Take care.